Hello, my name is Toby, and I'm going to introduce the potential problems of Asian economy. And there are 3 points are listed here, which are high debt and development. The second one is China's economic problem, and third one is Thailand's economic bubble. And for the first one is currently the FED is considering to reserve its low interest rate monetary policy, and Asia is facing new challenges, high debt and development. In addition, investors could have measured the impact of this transition may bring, and the 1997 financial crisis seems to be ready to happen again. In 2008, Asia had very rapid credit growth, resulting in the rise of housing prices, high growth, and companies got large orders frequently. In April 2008, Thailand had one of the biggest scale acquisition and IPO. The problem took place, however, at India and Indonesia, two of the highest amplitude of current account deficit countries in Asia, so that they relied heavily on foreign capital. Over the October 2013, both of the India and Indonesia's foreign exchange market and stock market crashed. Second one, China's economic problem. Well, at present, China is facing mainly three challenges, and the first one is the economic slowdown, which is a state of soft bounce back, possibly slipping back into recession. The second challenge is the conflict between population growth and the weak agriculture section. According to the forecasts, China's population will reach up to 1.4 billion in 2020. Thus, the demand for food and agricultural products will continue to rise. However, the foundation to support stable production growth is very weak. Over 50% of medium and small-scale irrigation facilities or irrigation projects in China either do not match the demand or need replacement. And over 1/3 of agricultural machinery needs repair or rebuilding. The third challenge is the high M2 money supply and money storage coinciding. Although China's M2 supply has exceeded 10 trillion yuan, money shortage is still coming up for time to time. And this could lead to another round of credit crunch with interbank lending rates continuously rising. The third problem is Thailand's economic bubble. After the global financial crisis in 2008, a lot of funds went into Thailand, bringing the overheated development of Thailand's economy. Thailand is now facing various crises. The factors are the credit bubble and the real estate bubble, and the government excuses spending and borrowing behavior. If these underlying crises are not solved properly, any of these could lead to bubble burst, making possible the trigger of similar financial crisis in Asia in 1997, but this will be leading more serious consequences. Emerging market bubble began at 2009 in Thailand. After the financial crisis, the interest rates in the US, Europe, and Japan was almost zero, and the FED implemented a massive monetary easing stimulus. Global investors got low interest loans from these countries, wishing higher returns in emerging countries in investment, for instance Thailand. And the sudden influx of funds makes the bond continuously growing, and the cost of borrowing money in emerging countries fell to a historically low level. Government supported the infrastructure projects, and credit growth was booming. the whole new world for real estate bubble began to appear. At present, Thailand is experiencing extremely dangerous credit bubble. Since 2008, Thailand's household debt GDP rate rose from 55 to 77, becoming one of Asia's highest ratio of household debt to GDP of the country. During 2010-2012, the country's annual growth rate of loans reached to 17%. The first launch of car tax rebate policy is an important factor leading to the surge in home loans rate. According to the World Bank estimates, after the tax cuts expire and the liabilities of more than 100,000 consumers will not be able to pay a car loan. Yeah, that's all.
The financial crisis, Asia countries get many lessons from Asia crisis, which the change in the financial system, the Asia economic finally back on track. However, we still have to beware of the potential problem that might happen in the future. By that way, Asia country will eventually become well developed, and I am sure that they will have a better and bright future. This is our way. Thanks for watching.